Hi guys, and it is finally time, the long-awaited video using the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette in Pumpkin Pie. I've been meaning to film this for so long, but it is finally here. In this video, I give you a tutorial, I give you some swatches, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and most importantly, which eyeshadow palette do I use next? I have all of the e.l.f. ones right here, so please comment down below which one I need to try next. I really love e.l.f. cosmetics. Now that it's more accessible in Australia, I'm so excited to use more of their products, so tell me what you want to see. So today I created a beautiful bronzy eye. Let's get right into the video. We are going to begin this video by swatching each shade so you can see exactly how they look. First up, I'm going to show you some arm swatches. Look how gorgeous these tones are, these colors, so gorgeous. This palette is really great because it can just pop in your handbag and really easy to travel around with. And next up, I want to show you some eye swatches, so how each shadow performs on the eyelids. It is time to create a beautiful bronzy eye look today. We're going to be using the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette in Pumpkin Pie. I've been wanting to use this for so very long, so let's get right into it. So I am going to do my eye makeup first and then my face makeup afterwards. So I'm going to start by concealing my eyelids with just a little bit of concealer. I absolutely love e.l.f. cosmetics. I'm so excited it is more accessible to get now in Australia because I am just loving it. I cannot wait to try even more of their products out. I'm very excited. So I'm just going to grab the first shade in the palette and I'm going to just buff this right into the crease area. Really nice and smoky, buffing it around, moving it around in the crease and up a bit near the brow bone, and just to get smoky. It's been a while since I've done a bronzy neutral eyeshadow look on the channel, so I'm excited for today. Look how beautiful this color is. I absolutely love this shade of brown. And now I'm just going to grab the deepest matte shade in the palette and I'm going to pack this on the outer corner lid just to give this some dimension and some shape. So we really want to deepen up this outer lid here. And with the slight excess that we have left on the brush, I'm just going to slowly and very faintly push this into the crease. And don't worry about the fallout, we will fix that up later. I'm going to jump back into the concealer now and we're going to begin to cut the crease. when I am cutting the crease, I'm just going a little bit past the outside of my pupil. Now we're going to jump into the deepest shimmer shade here, which is a beautiful bronze. And I'm going to tap this shade on the outer part of that cut crease. Oh, look how beautiful that shade is. Oh my god. This is so foiled. I love it. It's gorgeous. So that is now pretty much on the center part of my lid. I just love that shade so much. Now picking up the lighter shimmer shade, I'm going to tap this on the inner part of that cut crease. So beautiful. Now I want to do something a little fun and a little different. I'm going to grab the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in Flirty Birdie. I love this thing so much. And I'm going to put a little bit of this in my crease. So using a very tiny brush, I'm just going to take a little bit of the product onto the brush. And I just want to put it in the crease. Right where we started that cut crease. This gives it a little bit of extra something. How cool is that? Now I'm going to grab the e.l.f. black liquid liner and I'm going to line my top lash line. And I've just got some micellar water now on a brush. I'm just going to tidy up that wing. It's amazing how the wing just keeps getting bigger and bigger. I'm going to clean up the rest of the fallout now with some more micellar water, just all under here and up in here. That is all for the top eyelid for now. I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so most of my face makeup is done now. Now we're going to go on to the bottom lash line. For the bottom lash line, I'm just going to grab the lightest matte shade to start with. And I'm just going to buff all that in. For my inner corner, I want to grab a bit more of Flirty Birdie and I want to just tap this on the inner corner to give it a bit of extra glow. I would just love to put this all over my face. For my bottom waterline, I'm going to use a very light nude shade to brighten up my eyes. And this is the completed look using the e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palette in Pumpkin Pie. A gorgeous bronzy look. I think it turned out really, really stunning. Please tell me what you think. Would you try this out? Don't forget to tell me which eyeshadow palette I need to use next. I have all of them here ready to go. Thank you guys so very much for watching. I love you and I'll see you in my next video.